Here we are, everybody, back for another unboxing of shoes. And there's, I don't know, 4 pairs of shoes in here maybe. And as you could see from the yellow tape, United States Customs Service did open this box and inspect the shoes. I'm sure they're okay, and they resealed just like that with the yellow tape. That's the security seal. So let's get this open for a new unboxing of some amazing, amazing shoes. And I think there's a pair of boots in here too. So let's get to it. Hello everyone, welcome back. Phil Pravda, Suit Cafe, suitcafe.com. Please check out the website. We have amazing shoes you can customize on your own. You know, beautiful pants and suits and jackets, so many nice things. And of course, as I've been saying on some of the prior videos, new website launching for Spring Summer Collection 2023 coming up very, very soon. But here we are for the new unboxing of, that's right, shoes for another customer of ours. I'm not sure where we're going to be shipping these, but somewhere down south. I think Florida or South Carolina, somewhere around there. We're going to be shipping these shoes. So got my scissor. Let me open up this box and take out the first pair. We're going to see what it looks like. So let's get this box open. There's quite a few boxes of shoes in here. Sorry for bending down and doing this, but this box is too big to fit on the table. So, plus my mess is on the table. So, that's what happens. Okay, here we go. The box is open. And let's go with the first pair right here. Here we go. Here's the first box. Let's see what's inside without making too much of a mess. Ooh, you can smell that. That new leather smell is always so nice. That new leathery smell. Well, I'm going to have no place to put anything anymore. I just have to put it over here. Okay, so we're going to take this one out. And like we always do, we bring it up to the camera like this. And here we go. Taking out the new shoe. Wow, look at that. Let's see what this is all about. And it's so light. It doesn't weigh anything, this shoe. Super, wow, I love this shoe. Super lightweight. Look at that. I mean, just look. I mean, there are no words to say right now. I never know which direction to put this in, but look at that gorgeous, gorgeous shoe. This, by the way, is size, it's a big size 12. Big size 12. There's the bottom for you. Take a look at the sole. The red, super lightweight rubber sole, matching with the red laces on the front. This is a patina finish in 2 colors. You have the cognac patina, and set in here in the center, you have the olive green patina. This is all done by hand. Someone is taking a paintbrush, or they use little swabs of cotton, they dip it in the finish, and then they're rubbing this by hand over and over and over until they get that finish. And as you saw from the box, these are made in España, made in Spain. It says made in Spain right on the bottom of the shoe. You can see right there. Under the Suit Cafe logo, it says made in Spain. That's right. And hand-sewn rubber. You don't usually see that, a rubber-sewn sole. But these are super, super lightweight. Custom done for a customer of ours. We're going to be sending them to him hopefully today or tomorrow. And there's the first pair right there. Beautiful. Full brogue, by the way. Full brogue is the model and design of this shoe. Full brogue. So let's put this one away. And of course, the left shoe looks the same as the right. Otherwise, we'd be having a big problem if it didn't. Okay, so let's get the next pair out. We got 4 pairs in total. So that was the first pair right there. We'll just put this one quickly back in the box. And now we will go for the second pair. Here we have the box. Let's open this one up and see what's inside. Okay. This is a very substantial shoe. Oh, nice. Feels lightweight also. Feels very light. Let's see. Here we go. The shoe. Here it is. Whoa! Unbelievable, this shoe. Look at this. I never saw one. I know I sell them, but I never... wow, this is just... Look at that. Look at that shoe. Is that incredible shoe? I mean, anyone who has this shoe, you're going to walk into a party in the summertime and someone's going to go, man, where did you get those shoes? Because nobody has it. Nobody has it. This is called Camouflage Patina. And it's available in different colors. You could have the classic, which is this, the green, different shades of green and the black. You could have red camouflage, denim blue camouflage, and then there's a gray camouflage. So there are 4 colors in the camo. The bottom of this is the Vibram wedge sole. There's the Vibram wedge sole, and this gentleman picked the orange lace to go with the green. But just look at that shoe. I mean, that's incredible. I mean, these are incredible. I never saw anything like it. Anything like it. And of course, they are all 100% leather. And as I said, made in Spain. Size 12 again. But look at that gorgeous shoe. I'll give you one last look. You got the back right there. You got side. You got the whole shoe just like that. The whole cut. Go one more so you can see that there. And the side view there. Really, I mean, really spectacular shoe. I mean, just spectacular. You could wear this with jeans. You could wear this with shorts. You could wear this with really anything. This goes with everything. Really goes with everything. All right, so we're going to protect this one. We're going to put it in the plastic. And when you have something like this, you might think, well, how am I going to polish it? What if I scratch it? What if it gets dirt on it? You use neutral polish. Neutral polish is basically clear. So you neutral polish and it'll be just like new, like the day you bought them. Because it still is just leather. I actually like to use, except for black or brown, neutral polish on all the shoes. Okay, so that's number 2. That's a really fantastic one for number 2. Really. Okay, number 3. Number 3, third pair of shoes here in this box. Let's open this one up. See what this one is all about. This is like a master unboxing with 4 pairs of shoes in one shot. Okay, this is a sneaker, a slip-on sneaker. Here we go. Here it comes. There it is. Boom. Wow, look at this. This is the green kid suede slip-on. There's a little stuffing in there. There you go. The green suede slip-on with the red leather lining. Very lightweight. Has a nice little grippy rubber bottom on the bottom there. A little sneaker bottom. And beautifully made. Nice and soft. All suede with the white leather trim. And these come in a lot of colors. You could do purple suede, yellow suede, orange suede, red suede, blue suede. So many colors this comes in. Like that. And you could also change. You could change this to a different color. You see this part? That could be another color. It could be leather, could be suede, could be crocodile. And you have the little bit of elastic right here. So when you slide your foot in, it gives a little stretch. Just like that. You could wear these barefoot in the summer. Nice to do that also. Again, size 12 because it's for the same person. But there you go. The green suede slip-on sneaker. Really nice. And now the last shoe in the box, and it's a much bigger box because it's not really a shoe. It's a boot. So I'll take that one out right here for you. Let me put this one away. And this is a much bigger box here. Here we go. There you go. Much bigger box, of course, because it's size 12 boot in here. And we're going to take this one out. And we're going to see how special. Okay. This is all right. Here we go. This is a boot. There's the top. Oh, and this has the wedge sole with the running bottom. Wow. Look at that. Let's take off this plastic. I mean, come on. You go anywhere with these on. Nobody has anything like this at all. Absolutely. Look at this. This is Burgundy Patina. Burgundy Patina. So it's all hand done. This is actually a jodhpur. The style of this boot is called a jodhpur, with the buckle with the leather wrapped around with a little loop in the back. That's called the jodhpur, and you have the little loop here. You can pull it on yourself when you put your foot in. There's no laces or elastic anywhere here in this one. And then I'll show you from the front. There's the front and the side with the buckle. And here's the other side, the non-buckle side, just like that. And then, of course, the bottom. Now, this is the wedge sole, but the bottom is called the running bottom. So it's really, I mean, who's going running in the boots? Nobody. But that's what it's called. So you have the wedge sole, and attached to it is the running bottom. And it's very light. Look, super lightweight. These are all very, very lightweight materials. 100% you know, the calfskin leather done in the Burgundy Patina, and then the bottom sole super lightweight, so it's not heavy on your foot when you walk around. You don't want your feet to be tired or your body to be tired from lifting up a heavy shoe. You ever try on a shoe that weighs heavy like a brick? That's like the horrible shoes when it's like a brick. So there you go. 4 pairs of shoes, 3 shoes, 1 boot, actually 2 shoes, a sneaker and a boot. These are going to get shipped out to the customer. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. You too can design your own shoes any way you like and have a one-of-a-kind. You go to a party, go to an event, go to a wedding, and no one has the shoes that you have. So thanks for watching. Appreciate it very much. My name again, Phil Pravda from Suit Cafe, and I will see you all again when I'm back at it. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to watch more unboxings.